Welcome to the installation video of Kentrol's license plate delete plug for Jeep's 2007 to 2017 JK Wrangler. Step 1. Prior to installation, ensure the temperature of the area is above 60 degrees Fahrenheit. The adhesive will have trouble bonding otherwise. Step 2. Remove your vehicle's OEM license plate mount. Step 3. Using isopropyl rubbing alcohol and a cloth, clean the area of dirt and grime to assist the adhesion. Step 4. Remove the backing of the plug and place it into the beveled space. Press it down firmly and you're done. Enjoy your Kentrol license plate delete plug.